In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the X-axis scale in distribution charts for data lens. Here, we're looking at the United States rail equipment accident dataset. Each row in the dataset represents an accident. Here, there are already two distribution charts on the page. The first one is number of accidents by highest speed reported, and the second one is number of accidents by total reportable damages. As you might notice, these two charts are using different x-axis scales. This one is using a linear scale, which means that between the lowest value and the highest value, the bins or the buckets increase in size linearly. This is using a logarithmic scale, which means that from the smallest to largest value, the bins are increasing in size exponentially. And the system automatically picks a scale based on the range. So anything less than 2,000 gets a linear scale by default, and more than that, the system assigns a logarithmic scale. But as a publisher of this page, you can customize that setting. Before we do that, let's take a closer look at this particular chart. So for total reported damages, you can see that over 8,000 accidents, the damage is between $10,000 and $100,000, and there's also quite a number of accidents between $100,000 and $1 million, and there's a few between $10 million and $100 million. So let's change the scale and see what that might look like. You can enter Customize mode, click on Settings, and switch to Linear Scale. Okay, let's save the page and take another look. As you can see, the shape of the chart changes completely. As we know, most of the accidents, over 10,000 actually, the damage is between 0 and 1 million. But in this particular chart, you can't see the more granular bins because this is now increasing linearly between 0 and 18 million, which is the highest amount of damages for all the accidents. So it's really up to the publisher, as a data publisher, to decide which scale best conveys the information that you want to convey on this page, because each visualization does have its own unique benefits.